We understand the language of air. So we know about air, we design vacuum cleaners, we know what litres per second is, what millimetres of water pressure is. So we just had to adapt things to move volumes of air. So we didn't need to know anything about the patient. There was no time to learn about lungs or breathing. We just needed the experts to tell us to convert that into air, and we can provide it. There's no reason why thousands of emergency ventilators can't be built each day if we've got people set up making the bits, assembling the ventilators, and there's people at the hospital ready to set them up and attach them and calibrate them. Then yeah, we can go.